bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison.
Mainam nga, Mr. Committee would like to hear first from the former president. I would indulge in that.
Ano, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo ba alam yan?
Mr. Chair, if our resource person is done, hindi po tayo nathi-threaten doon. And in fact, Mr. Chair, pinakinggan na po natin. Mr. Chair, I have the floor.
Suspension again.
Yes, actually, Mr. Chair, marami pa akong mga tanong. Tapos sabi nga rin naman po kanina, pwedeng hanggang 2 a.m., 5 a.m. tayo.
Bakit ba yung kamay mo
Actually, Mr.
nagsasayaw?
Chair, ako, kaya din naman natin yan. Lalo na nung mga budget hearing, araw-araw ganun yung mode natin. Kaso lang, Mr. Chair, based sa sitwasyon po ng ating resource person, kahit na actually ay bibigyan ko rin naman siya ng panahon para makapagsalita. Gusto ko lang na ma-establish muna yung mga punto natin through our questions sa ibang mga resource person. Kasi po, hindi lang naman po ang dating Pangulo ang ating resource person, pero parang siya po kasi yung nagmamadali, Mr. Chair. At tingin po natin hindi na conducive to the point na tinithreaten po tayo, pananampal, pagmumura. Kaya tingin natin, Mr. Chair, kung ganito ang magiging conduct ng resource person natin, mainam nga, Mr. Chair, din muna talaga. At hindi po natin tinatanggap yung bluff niya na kaya niya magstay hanggang umaga. So I'm actually willing, Mr. Chair, if the committee would want, I can pause with my questions and I'll let the committee decide, Mr. Chair.
We continue.